I want to show you a 70mai Omni voice commands. First, to use them, you need to enable them in the application, and after that you can just use the commands. I will show you all of them. Like I enable a hotspot. You probably can see that there is a Wi-Fi icon enabled. After that, we have a disable hotspot. Okay. Stop audio. Record audio. Shoot inside. This will start recording of interior of the car for the limited time. You see the timer on the top. I wish they enable this feature without a timer limit, because maybe I want to shoot inside of the car for the longer period of time, and after we finish I want, let's say, to say stop recording interior of the stop recording interior of the car, and it will stop. So without time limit it would be great. Okay, we have this shoot inside feature, which is around 10 seconds, and I want it to be longer without time limit. Shoot vlog. This is like 360-degree shot. It is cool feature.
Say hi to the camera.
It is cool feature if you are traveling or something like that. Take selfie. It is self-explanatory. Shot emergency video. That is also self-explanatory. Take a photo. Also it takes a photo in the front of the car. And this is interesting also. Shoot right. It basically records for around 10 seconds on the right side. I also want this feature to be without time limit, so I can start it and stop it whenever I want. Shoot left. Same thing like shoot right. And that's basically it. You can see some footage right now. I will insert it. These voice commands are practical, and they can be really... I also want to update my previous video that there is no micro SD card, and if you want to transfer the files, you have two options. The first option is to just remove your 70mai Omni and transfer the files on your PC or Mac, or you can use the app to transfer the files on your phone. If you prefer that, I personally prefer to transfer the files on my PC, because there is really no need to have them on my phone, because the files are quite large because of the quality of the files. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please consider subscribing. It will help me a lot in the long term. And if you like the type of videos I make, they are really versatile. Subscribe, like, share, comment. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. And until next time, see ya.